Corinaldo is a charming small town located in the province of Ancona, in the Marche region of central Italy. Nestled amid rolling hills and surrounded by picturesque countryside, Corinaldo exudes a timeless and authentic Italian ambience. Steeped in history and culture, this medieval gem offers visitors a glimpse into the past and a taste of traditional Italian life. The town's history dates back to ancient Roman times, and its medieval origins are evident in the well-preserved architecture that lines its narrow cobblestone streets. One of the most prominent landmarks is the impressive defensive walls that encircle Corinaldo, providing a glimpse into its strategic significance during the Middle Ages. Climbing up these walls offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape and the town's quaint rooftops. Corinaldo's historical center is a labyrinth of alleyways, adorned with colorful flowers and charming shops selling local products and handicrafts. The main square, Piazza del Popolo, is the heart of the town, where locals and tourists gather to enjoy the vibrant atmosphere and delightful cafes. A highlight of Corinaldo's calendar is the renowned Natale a Corinaldo Christmas market, which attracts visitors from far and wide with its festive lights, traditional crafts, and seasonal treats. Another significant event is the Festa del Pozzo, celebrating the town's ancient well with cultural performances and lively festivities. In addition to its historical and cultural appeal, Corinaldo boasts a reputation for hosting events and festivals throughout the year, including music concerts, art exhibitions, and gastronomic celebrations that showcase the region's culinary delights. For those seeking a taste of authentic Italy away from the tourist crowds, Corinaldo offers an idyllic escape with its captivating heritage, warm hospitality, and stunning landscapes that continue to enchant and captivate visitors.